In this video, we're going to be talking about Vechain. We're going to be analyzing the price of Vechain to see where price is going, basically giving a technical analysis on price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Vechain, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see here on CoinMarketCap, Vechain is currently up 1.9% at the time of recording. You can see here on the daily chart that we did reach the daily low of around 0.0491, and then pretty much we were trading around about the bearish side, and then we did become bullish again. We did have the initial break of structure towards upside, then we had a low pullback, and then from then onwards you can see price did rally back up towards upside, reaching the highs of around 0.0518. Yeah, so on the daily. So if you go over to TradingView to see what is going on with pretty much Vechain, pretty much analyzing where price could possibly go over the next few days. So yeah, you can see here that this was the main demand zone that I had initially interpreted where price could possibly come to, but it looks like price did fill in this little imbalance, and then I pretty much induced all of the weak-handed pretty much the weak-handed buyers from this demand zone. Essentially, if you drop into the lower time frame, you could possibly see this in a bit more. Yeah, so you can pretty much see here that pretty much the market did pretty much induce this the buyers from this area, and pretty much this area. You could possibly even say that this is trendline liquidity. You can pretty much see that this is liquidity, and the liquidity has been taken. But from then onwards, you can see here that we did pretty much make a double top essentially, and pretty much this was also induced as well before price rallied up towards the upside, and looks like we could possibly make a new high, which is really nice to see. But we also have to take into consideration that if Bitcoin does become even more bullish, I feel like Vechain could benefit from this. The main reason for that is that we could possibly see a break of structure and possibly even a change in character to where price could be heading. But hopefully we can start reaching the highs of around a 0.06, pretty much 0.07 essentially. If price does reach the roughly around this area, we should pretty much have a clear indication that price could become bullish. But obviously once price does induce this area, we should pretty much should see a little pullback occur, as this is a really strong pretty much level, and once induced, you can see here that this was the lower high that pretty much made the new lower low essentially, and then from then onwards, so prices, there definitely will be loads and loads of liquidity based above this high, so you got to take that into consideration. But if we do breach past that, the next target would be 0.098. So the main reason for this this was the next lower high, and once price does break past that, then we should also have a little pullback, possibly even towards the next, probably even towards a lower demand area, and then from then onwards we should have another rally up towards upside. But obviously the market doesn't just move in one cycle, it does take multiple times, and pretty much a lot of time just to even complete one cycle. So even if we check over at Bitcoin to see how Bitcoin has been performing, you can see here that on the daily chart, yesterday we were bullish. I feel like pretty much bearish, because the main reason for this, I feel like, is that the price did need to come back and have a little pretty much fill in all of the gaps that are left behind. And from then onwards, it looks like price is gradually building itself back up. I feel like we should definitely see 45k getting taken out this week, but if not, even 50k this week, you never know how the market moves. So, and obviously we gotta take into consideration of the fundamentals of Bitcoin. You never know the FOMC, obviously the FUD. So you just got to take all that into consideration, as those have major impacts on the price. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. Peace.